Hello, beautiful people. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing amazing. Welcome back to another house rebuild update. We are here in the house, and as you guys can tell, my roof is finally done. So we are going to fly the drone today. It's very hot, but yeah, I think Tom is gonna fly the drone, right?
I'm a good pilot.
He's a good pilot. Why not? Okay, so finally, it's done. Oh my gosh, I think it took exactly a month for us to be able to finish just the roof and the 12 concrete pillars. So I'm gonna take you guys inside. It is going to be very messy, but please bear with us, okay? So come on, let's go get inside my little house, humble abode. Okay, first, we're gonna start over here. By the way, aside from the roof being finished already, we have also started putting in the concrete block wall. So we're gonna start here because I've ordered some materials so that we could start the block wall directly. So we have here a lot of sand. I'm not quite sure how much sand, how much truck did my mom order, but I let my mom manage everything because she's always here in the countryside. She knows people and that's her thing. So my mom is the one managing now the overall development of the house, which is good for me because it's a lot easier. But anyway, here on the side we have here all of the metal rebar. So yeah, since we're gonna be putting the concrete block wall, we are gonna be using, of course, metal rebars. This is a lot of metal rebars. I'm not sure how much, but I just really gave mom some money and let her do the math. All right, so we'll get inside over here. I know you guys can tell already that we've almost finished this side of the concrete block wall. But first, let me show you. We have ordered here some hollow blocks as well. So this is how it looks. So I think they were able to deliver 300 pieces of hollow block. This is not 300 pieces anymore. We've already put some over there, but each piece cost 14 pesos. And the main builder for the concrete block wall said that we need at least 1,000 pieces. So that's going to be a total of 14,000 pesos. Okay, well, anyway, so I'm gonna take you guys inside and see how does it look. So in the meantime, we have 3 workers working in the house. We have one main builder and we have 2 laborers. So the other labor is doing the mixing over here. We have gravel, cement, and sand mix over here. That's his job. And then the other one is doing the destroying of the house. So come on, let's get inside. It's gonna be very messy, guys. Okay, we'll just have to show you what's inside, what's the reality of rebuilding a simple province house. Anyway, if we look here, we do have a lot of cement. I'm not sure how many sacks of cement do we need. I think we need at least 30 sacks of cement or 50. And then we're gonna get inside here in the house, everyone. Okay, so all right, by the way, if you look here, they've already added here some of there's someone at the back. It's okay. Okay, so if you look here, we have here another concrete pillar, by the way. So we've added 2 here actually inside of the house. It's so crazy because now that I look at here, the house looks very small, isn't it? Or not? Yeah? And then once it's gonna be finished and it would look big. Anyway, okay, so we go over here. I think it will actually not take so long for them to put the concrete block wall. The only thing that will take some time is actually the destroying of the current wall that I have here in the ceiling. They've already destroyed it as well, if you look up. And then so this is how it looks inside, guys. So as you guys can see, he is piling up some hollow block over there. And then this is going to be my window. So my window is going to be pretty much the same. I am still thinking if I should change my window into a sliding one or will make use of the current window that I do have. So we shall see. Depends on the budget. But in the meantime, this is the latest update. They just started doing the concrete block wall yesterday, and this is what they've finished. So I do have 3 people that is currently working on it. So it's quite a good progress. And you might be asking, like, how did they start, the bottom of the concrete block wall, right? Of course, they have to cement, or they have to make it concrete before they started doing the block wall. All right, so we'll proceed over here. So this is my kitchen area. So as you guys can see, we have one here that's removing all of the wood, all of that. And here in my countertop, I will have to destroy this as well because it's too high for me. If you guys can remember, whenever I try to cook, I will have to have like some chair so the oil won't splash on me. Yeah, we have to destroy that, and we have to level it in my size, which is gonna be here, which is gonna be fine, right, honey? Okay, so that's it for now. Look here, guys. This is my bedroom. It is actually messy here, but I'll show you inside. So I have here all of my stuff. So if you look at this one over here, this is another concrete pillar that we've added. So we do have a total of 2 concrete pillars here inside the house. And then we have 10 concrete pillars around the house. So yeah, so far everything's looking good. Tom and I has been actually thinking if how should we go about putting the second bedroom inside of the house. I think I will have to ask the main builder about it. I think he will have an idea. He was asking me earlier, like, how should I go about the window, because it's better to make it center, because last time it wasn't center at all. So yeah, I just clarified it to him, and he said, yeah, this one's actually better. So we've agreed. So it's actually very good because he asked me before they do such a thing. So that's nice. Anyway, so far, this is the current update of the house, guys. It's messy here. They're banging everything. I am thinking that they will be able to finish it within 2 weeks, hopefully. And then we'll do the wiring, everything. A lot of cleaning to do, but I know we have some people to help us do the cleaning, arranging everything, and all that. 3 p.m. right now, so they're doing their snacks. So if you guys will ask, I hired another different set of builders to actually work in the house because, as you know, last time it wasn't really a good experience for me. We cannot really understand each other, I would have to say. So yeah, this guy, hopefully we could. Like, so far it's doing good. It's actually my mom that's mostly doing all the communication, negotiation, and all that jazz, so they could understand each other. Anyway, they're doing their snacks right now, and this time it's not packaged labor. So this time it is daily labor. So I'm not paying them in one package for the entire labor of the house. This is going to be daily. So if you guys will ask for the main builder, I am paying 700 pesos per day, and for the labor it's 420 pesos. And that's not including food for lunch. They will take their own lunch, but I will give them snacks in the morning, snacks in the afternoon. So snacks, if you ask, is just bread and some soft drinks. The same goes in the afternoon as well. But it really totally depends on me. So maybe the next few days I could cook for them some lunch, because so far they're actually like working fast. They're flying, to be honest, and I was not expecting it. My mom was already telling me, oh, what should we do with the window like this, da-di-da-di-da, because they're already, I was like, what?
I was shocked when we come into concrete walls over
fudge. And she was like, yeah, you have to tell me like what should we do, because they're asking, because fudge, they're actually flying. There's only 3 people. Supposedly I hired 4 people, 2 main builders and 2 laborers, but the other one is working something else, so maybe he will come tomorrow, so they will fly. Anyway, Tom and I has been talking about what's gonna be the best plan here inside a house. So we were here last time, right? And we talked about, well, I asked Tom like, what's gonna be the best option, the best plan for the second bedroom to be really inside the house. So this has been my dilemma for since we started rebuilding the house, because I really want it to be inside, since yeah, it's the toilet situation, like in the middle of the night when my sister or whoever will occupy the second bedroom has to knock the main door in order for them to go through the house and get into the toilet. So Tom has told me initially that we could cut a few inches here in my main bedroom so that the second bedroom will be inside, right? But I don't really want to cut my main bedroom because I want it like that. I want that size because I have my stuff, study table, my couch, and everything, my clothes and all that. So I didn't want to do that. So this time, now that like we have like a better view of the house, since they've already knocked down a few walls, he suggested that we are going to close the entire house and we have to remove the terrace. Actually, his dad also told him about this. Okay, so we go here. This is my terrace currently, right?
This will be the new living room. No?
This is the terrace. Okay, so my second bedroom is over here, and as you guys can see, it's outside here, the house. They cannot access the toilet if they wanted to. So this is going to be my living room extension. So what are we gonna do is, this main door right now, this main door will be wiped out. This wall will be removed as well, and this one. All right, so what are we gonna do now? We have to transfer this door over here, right? And then in this area where the terrace is, it's open, right? So we have to make a concrete block wall over here, but of course we have to put a window so that we have light coming in to the house. So can you guys imagine that? I can already imagine it, that it's going to be a really long hallway over here. So from where you guys are over there, my terrace, my living area is gonna go all the way over here. So that's gonna be a really big, we're gonna knock this wall down, right? So it's gonna be really spacious. Also, the best thing about it is the second bedroom will be inside the house. So we have second bedroom over there, and then my main bedroom is gonna be here. So that's good. I think it will look good, right? So yeah, now you might be asking, Meljean, you won't have a terrace anymore. Well, it's gonna be over there, so we cannot go there. Okay.
But look at the view. You can see the view.
Yeah, so you can see the view over here, guys. This is my kitchen. It's really messy, right? But that's the view, the $1 million view. And I know a lot of you guys suggested that I should have put my terrace there because that's where the beautiful view is. And yes, this time Tom has suggested it, that yes, we should do the terrace over there because it's a lot better. So if I walk over here in my kitchen area, and I do have an exit here, right? This is my other door exiting the house. We are going to build a terrace over here. This is gonna be where the terrace is. That way. Yeah, so it will be nice in the morning if we get coffee and we could walk down here and have that really nice view. I think we have a very good idea now this time. It's better to have two brains than one, isn't it, honey?
I don't know, I have two brains.
Very good suggestion.
I'm that clever, I have two brains.
Okay, so far that's the plan, and I think it will work out. Hopefully everything will go well. And also in the terrace that we are going to be building, we are also going to put concrete pillars, 2 concrete pillars, but it's not going to be all the way to the roof, just half, because that's going to hold the terrace.
It'll be like an elevated terrace.
All right, there you go, everyone. So far everything's looking good. I'm quite happy now that slowly but surely the house is almost done. We can hopefully transfer here in the next few weeks, right? In the next few weeks, hopefully.
Well, no, it'll take a bit longer now, I think, with that, but...
Well, as long as this is done, then if they will work in the terrace, we can already transfer.
Yeah, I mean, look, It's took them how long to do that? 1 day, 2 days?
Yeah, 1 day.
1 day, so it'll only take them 1 day to do the front.
Yes, that's right. The only problem is the destroying. It's taking some time.
You're literally now gonna have to go window shopping.
I know, right?
Like window shopping.
Yes. What do you mean? Like window?
Yeah.
Window shopping.
Like shopping for a window, not just window shopping.
Window shopping,
Yeah.
I know. Alright everyone, that is pretty much it for the current update. I'm quite happy. The current builders and workers that I have right now, they're working pretty fast and it's good. It's looking good. I am really happy with it. I know I have been really transparent with you guys. If I don't like it, I share it with you. But so far, so good. Some of you guys might be asking how much did I pay for the labor. By the way, I forgot. For the labor of the roof as well as the 12 pillars that I do have, I paid him 60,000 pesos. It's quite a lot. I know, right? But yeah, anyway, we're done with that and I'm happy how it turned out, so that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.